It's Carolyn Grimm with Accounting How To. I am here to answer the pressing question that I get from students very often, and that is, what exactly is intermediate accounting? So intermediate accounting is financial accounting or principles of accounting. It's the next level. So if you've taken a financial accounting class, principles of accounting 1 and 2, that's the foundation of accounting. Now, what we're going to do in intermediate accounting is we're going to add on to that foundation. We're starting to build some walls. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is you've got to have that strong foundation coming into it, because if you've got a weak foundation in financial accounting, you're going to be really miserable in intermediate accounting, okay? So the best thing that you can do coming into intermediate accounting is to focus on the fundamentals. And I have a whole playlist, of course, of fundamentals for you to review. From there, we're going to take that foundation, we're going to build on it. So we're going to learn about, so in financial accounting or principles, we talk about GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. Well, in intermediate accounting, we dig into where GAAP comes from, like who comes up with the rules. We go into the details of how that happens and what that looks like for day-to-day accounting, how we're going to apply those rules. We're also going to start to dig deeper into the different financial statements. In financial or principles, we went through a basic version of the 4 financial statements. Another thing you should have a good, strong grounding in. So our income statement, our balance sheet, our statement of stockholders' equity, our statement of cash flows. You need to have a good grounding in that, because what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at more complicated corporate financial statements. So we're going to be building on what we hopefully already know. And if you want an introduction to corporate financial statements, I'll link that in the description as well. So in our financial or principles class, we talked about our current assets and our current liabilities. Those are going to be the same. But again, if you don't have a foundation there, you're going to have to start from scratch. So the biggest thing for you is coming into intermediate accounting with a good foundation, or an understanding that you're going to have to get that good foundation in order to succeed in the class. The other thing with intermediate accounting, and with all accounting, is realize that it's rule-based. It's like playing a video game. If you know the rules, it's easy to level up. If you don't know the rules, it's going to take longer, right? So intermediate accounting is hard. It really is. It's a hard class. But what intermediate accounting is doing is it's helping you become a good accountant, right? You want to have that good foundation, because people are going to be looking to you for knowledge. They want to make sure that they're doing things right. They need an expert to tell them whether they are or not. So the stronger you are in intermediate accounting, the stronger you'll be in advanced accounting, but even more importantly, the better accountant you're going to be. And this is a course that, in my mind, helps you to grow from accounting student into accountant. And that's a very important transition. So we're talking fundamentals and growth in your professional career, which sounds like it's a pretty great class, right? So there's a whole bunch of videos in the description that'll help you to get a good foundation and to grow as an accountant. So I hope that was helpful. I will see you in another video.